Good morning, welcome to another One Marine video. I'd just like to quickly say thank you for all of our new subscribers. We think it's really great, and if you haven't already subscribed, please do click the subscribe button, which is up here. This morning we've got one of our favourite boats. I know I always say that about some of our boats, but this really is a beautiful, and in my opinion, probably the perfect UK motorboat. It's a Princess 43, 2017, in great condition, so let's go and have a look. So the Princess 43 really does tick all the boxes, and from the minute you step on board you get a really good feeling of space and size and volume. First place here at aft cockpit, lots of floor space, really good access down into the engine room, really sensible for accessing the lazarette and obviously maintenance on the engines. A really nice feature in the aft cockpit of the Princess 43 is this folding teak table. Open, it gives you plenty of seating here for 4 guests, and then as you step through into the saloon you've got this triple stainless steel folding door, and then once you step inside there's just so much volume, lots of head height, but it's just a really nice place to be. I think for a UK boat this is just really good size. It's not too big, it's not too small. You've got these amazing windows here which just let masses of light in, and it really does feel like you're outside when you stood here. You've got seating here, ample seating for guests. You've got a rise and fall television down here, and you've also got a really well equipped galley which has got your electric combination microwave, a 3-burner gas hob, of course a great size fridge freezer, and lots of storage as well in the cupboards, both behind the sink there and lower down. As you'd expect on a boat of this calibre, full equipment here on the dash. You've got proportional bow and stern thrusters, great Raymarine Axiom plotter which is linked into the radar upstairs, the larger Volvo Penta information screen for the engine which is really nice to have, and your electronic controls, and of course autopilot, so everything you possibly need. Fairly standard Princess control panel with start and stop for the battery switches. Fairly standard, we see this on most Princess yachts, but really nicely laid out, very modern, and great visibility through the window as well. As you step down towards your accommodation, the VIP owner's cabin is right in front of you, and as with the saloon, it's volume and light. There's so much volume in here. There's a really good head height in the cabin. You've got these 2 fantastic sized portholes forward, and then just behind you as you come in, you've got this really nice ensuite with a full walk-in shower, electric toilet, and countertop mounted sink. It feels really premium. If we go slightly further aft now, you've got a door, and that is the day heads. Huge ensuite to the twin cabin with a really large walk-in shower, nice subtle lighting underneath the mirror there, again electric toilet. And then slightly further behind that, you've got a twin guest berth, which has got great head height as you come into the cabin. 2 good sized berths as well, lots of light through the portholes, and then a Jack and Jill arrangement on the doors back into what is the day heads. We're up on the flybridge now on the Princess, and as with the rest of the boat, I keep saying it's all about space. It feels huge. You've got this lovely C-shaped wraparound seat here at the back of the flybridge, which has got a folding table, makes access even easier. Slightly forward of this position, you've got a nicely appointed wet bar, and then more seating and the helm seats. This really is a great flybridge and has to be one of the best in class, if not the best in class. It's beautifully presented, it's finished with a teak floor, which looks really smart, and the seating is all in really good condition as well. It's normally covered up, and we've taken the covers off for this video. So you've got a Raymarine repeater for the plotter, as well as the autopilot. You've got the proportional thrusters up top, as you have got obviously at the lower helm, and a really smart cool box starboard side of the helm there.